Welcome to this video guys. In this video I will show you how to use the Loft feature in SolidWorks to make this part. So let's begin. Open a part file guys, because we are working in the part file, and here change the background to plain white. This is an optional step, but this is necessary because we are working in mmgs, although you can work in inch. So select here plane from the reference geometry, drop down this menu, and here select top plane, and the offset distance from the top plane is, you can specify here 50 millimeter. Check this box, right click on the top plane and make it unhide. Again from reference geometry click on plane, and this time I will select this plane 1. Here specify the offset distance as 85 millimeter, and then check this box. We will first make sketch on this top plane, so click and sketch. Make a circle here guys at the very origin. Select the smart dimensions and specify the diameter as 10 millimeter, and simply exit the sketch. We are done with the first plane, and this is actually the top plane. Next is our plane 1. Top plane is done. Next plane, plane 1. Click sketch. Similarly we are going to make a circle here, smart dimensions, and specify the diameter of the circle as 20. Enter. Simply exit the sketch guys. We are done with 2 planes, and now we are left with this plane, plane 2. Click sketch, and this time we are not going to make the circle. Drop down this and select the ellipse, because we are going to make the ellipse. So make an ellipse like this guys. Press escape button, press control button, select this and this point, make relation horizontal. So as you can see guys, these points are horizontal with respect to the center, and these points are vertical with respect to the center after making that relation. So specify the distance between these 2 points as 120, and specify the distance between these 2 points, the vertical points, you can consider horizontal or vertical, as 80 millimeter. Right guys, simply exit the sketch, and now we are done with the plane, so there is no more need of these planes. So click on this plane and select hide. Click on this plate, hide. And now it's time to select the Loft command, so Lofted Boss Bass, and in this window I will select one by one these 3 circles, 1, 2 and 3. We actually need thin feature guys, so if we just simply check this box, if we do not use thin features, it will be a solid body, which I do not want. So click and delete, click on yes, Lofted Boss Bass again, and in this window I will select again these 3, 1, 2 and 3, third one, and here I have the option for the thin feature. So I would select this thin feature, and this is the option of inward material and outward material. You can select according to your case, and 1 millimeter thickness is fine for my case. Now let's apply some material to this so that it looks fine. So in this video guys, we have learned how to use the Lofted Boss Bass in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.